Hello YouTube, and welcome to another Air Fryer Tuesday. This is the Friday's value size chicken wings, the 25 ounce. You could definitely use this to binge watch a lot of shows, eat the wings with your friends while you watch streaming channels. So let's open this and then we'll go to the air fryer. Alright YouTube, so here's the bag. These are all the wings. And with this, you get the sauce separately. So we're going to go to the air fryer for this, but while the air fryer is cooking these, we'll have to put this under warm water. Alright YouTube, there's all the wings out of that 25 ounce package. So put them in there and try to separate them like where they're like in a single layer. And you're going to want to push it in. And we're going to do it for 12 minutes at 400. When there's minute 5 or 6, we'll open the basket and shake it. Alright YouTube, when it says turn food, you're going to pull this out. Look at those wings already. Shake them up. Shake them up. Stick it back in and let it finish off at 4 minutes at 400. If it's not enough, you could always add like 2 or 3 minutes onto there. And then you want to go to a bowl with the honey barbecue sauce, and it's that easy. Alright YouTube and friends, you can see how those wings came out. You don't even need to add more time, and you could eat them like that. Here's the packages, so you control how much barbecue you want, like this. So if you want to put both in, you could make it really barbecue, or you could use one. I would probably only use one, and you could save the other one. Alright YouTube, so you can see how the sauce is in there. And I still have that extra one. So you're just going to want to take a spoon and just keep stirring this till you coat them thoroughly. See you at the plate. Alright YouTube, so they are done. And this video can't do justice. You should really see what these look like in real life. These would be perfect for binge watching, eating them with your friends, hanging out in high school and eating them, streaming your favorite shows. But there it is, Air Fryer Tuesday. Talk to you soon, Dan Soy Cook. Bye-bye.